Welcome to Dr. Ackerman and David Matz's YouTube channel. Have you ever wished you could predict the future? What if you could know exactly if a customer will buy your product or if a student will pass their final exam? It sounds like having a crystal ball, doesn't it? But instead of magic, we can use math. Welcome back. Today, we are talking about a powerful tool called Logistic Regression. Part 1. What is Logistic Regression? So, what exactly is it? Simply put, logistic regression is a statistical method we use to predict a yes or no outcome. Imagine you want to know if a shopper will buy a green product. Will they say yes or no? Logistic regression takes all your data, like the shopper's age, income, and past choices, and draws an S-shaped curve. This curve gives you a score between 0 and 1. The closer your score is to 1, the more likely the customer is to buy. Simple, right? Part 2. The 3 flavors of regression. Just like ice cream comes in different flavors, logistic regression comes in 3 different types. 1. Binary. This is the most popular type. You use this when there are only 2 choices like yes or no or pass or fail. 2. Multinomial. What if you have more than 2 choices but they have no specific order? Think about predicting a customer's favorite ice cream. Will they choose chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry? 3. Ordinal. You use this when you have 3 or more choices that are ranked in order. For example, predicting a customer satisfaction score from 1 to 5 stars. Part 3. The good and the bad. Now, why should we use this tool? What are the benefits? First, is it hard to learn? Not at all. You do not need a PhD in mathematics to understand it. Second, do you have to do the heavy calculations yourself? No. Software programs like SPSS, Stata, or Minitab will do all the hard work for you. And third, you can use it in almost any industry. But what is the catch? Are there any disadvantages? Yes, logistic regression works best with simple, straight-line relationships. If your data is too complex and curved, it might struggle. Also, it can be easily confused by outliers, which are extreme or crazy data points. Finally, if you have too many categories to predict, the math gets very messy. To sum it all up, logistic regression is an amazing, easy-to-use tool for predicting categorical outcomes in your research. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next chapter.